Hello, everyone. Today, in light of the world, I decided to share with you my Heart and Hope tea blend. The reason for this is hugging trees and screaming into snow piles can only go so far when everything in life feels like and looks like a dumpster fire. So, here we go. You will need lemongrass for uplifting your spirit, protecting against evil, and fostering mental clarity. Lemon balm to bring in light, love, and renewal your hope in humanity. Chamomile for protection, love, prosperity, and purification. Rose petals for healing your heart and emotional protection. And rose hips to bring peace and harmony to yourself and your home. I am making a big batch and using a 1-to-1 method. 1 tablespoon of each herb until the jar is filled to my liking. Now, although these herbs have the magical intentions set above, there is another reason I am making this combination. Lemon balm, lemongrass, and chamomile are calming herbs. They help lower the stress hormone called cortisol, which I'm certain all of us are overdosing on at the moment. We also have rose petals and rose hips that are high in vitamin C, have also shown promise in lowering bad cholesterol and lowering blood pressure. I mixed them up in a jar of my choosing, took 2 tablespoons to steep in hot water for 10 minutes, and then enjoyed. Now, I'm going to go and disconnect from this world and hopefully find solace in dreaming about escaping to the woods. Until next time, my lovelies, Toodles for now.